Hi guys, welcome to Java Smart. My name is Jayapratap Singh, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain Quartz scheduler. So Quartz scheduler is used to run a specific job at a particular time. So like you have a class A which has some method. Okay, you have some code inside that class, and you want to run that code at a particular time. Okay, so for that we need a scheduler. So here I'm going to explain Quartz scheduler. So let's get started. I'll create a project. I'll name it as Quartz. Then I have to add some jar files for Quartz scheduler. So I need to download some jar file from Quartz website. So there's a website, Quartz scheduler.org. From this website you need to download the jar file for scheduling. So you need to go to download, and then you have to download the latest jar file. So like there are many versions. I'm going to explain in this tutorial Quartz 1.8.6. so Quartz version 1 I'm going to explain. So I have downloaded this file, these are files, and later on I'll explain Quartz 2.2, but for this tutorial I'm going to explain Quartz 1. So I have already downloaded and extracted those jar files. Now I need to configure my build path. So I need to add jars. So I have these jars inside library. I need to add only two jars. One is I'll add this one, and one more, that is from the libraries. I need this SLF4 jar for logging. So I need to add these two jars, and then I need to create a class. So I'll create a class, my job. So this class, like I will have some code inside this class which I want to run at a particular time. So for that, what I need to do, I need to implement one interface, job interface. There's a job interface that I need to implement from Quartz, and there's one method inside this, unimplemented method, that is execute. So I need to write all my code inside this which I want to execute at a particular interval. So for this demo video, I just write a statement which I will be executing at a certain time period. Print. So I just want to print like I am running automatically. That's a statement I want to run. I want to execute at a particular time. So one more class I need to create, that will be my main class. So it's a test class. Test. It will have main method. And inside this class I need to create few objects. So first I need to create object of job detail class. JD is equals to new job detail. So yeah, so I need to import it. from org.quartz, and then I need to set JD name, job detail name I need to set. So name I'll give it my job detail, my detail, and then JD dot. So I have one method inside this to set job class. So what this method specify? This method specify the class which I want to run at a particular time. So I want to run my job class, so I will mention my job dot my job dot, yeah, this way I need to specify inside this class, and then I need to create the object of trigger. So I have like in the Quartz scheduler provide two types of triggers, cron trigger and simple trigger. Simple trigger is for like if you want to run a certain job at a particular interval at a particular time, okay, only at a specific time, and then you want to continue for some time, okay, then you can use a simple trigger. But if you want to run some job on calendar date, like on every Sunday, every Monday, or on every 25th of a month, you want to run a particular job, so then in that case you need to use cron trigger. So for this example I'm using simple trigger. Trigger tree equals to new simple trigger, and then fix the imports. Then you need to set the names for the trigger, my trigger, and then you need to set the start time when it since it is a simple trigger, you need to specify the time when this trigger should be fired. So set start time you need to mention. So for that I'll create the object of date class, and inside that I will pass system date from my system. I will get the date, get the time from my system dot get this one current millisecond. So this method I'll call. So this will provide the time in milliseconds. I need to fix, okay, import from util package, and then I need to write. So this way I'm specifying the start time, and now I need to specify set interval, set repeat interval I need to mention. So I need to specify how many times it should repeat. So I'm going to specify this should repeat indefinitely. Okay, so once I run this, it will start the trigger, and it will start repeating, it won't stop. So that's why I specified this, and then I have to specify one more field, set repeat count. There's one more method, set repeat count. So count will be like this way I can specify, and then I need to create one more object of a scheduler. I need to get scheduler to schedule the job. SD equals to, I need to create the object of scheduler factory, STD scheduler factory, right? 3, and I need to get a schedule. I need to get the schedule from this scheduler factory. There's some problem, I need to check. Okay, so I need to import it, and then I need to import this one also. That's okay. Then what's the problem with this? Change to scheduler factory. Okay, I'll check this later. Okay, got it. I no need to cast because it will get me in the scheduler. Get scheduler. So from this I need to get scheduler, and then this one problem. Okay, so this can throw some exceptions, so I need to declare that. And now sd dot schedule, I need to schedule the job. Oh, okay, this one method to schedule the job and pass the job name and trigger name. So I need to pass the job detail name here. So JD I'll pass, because inside JD I have mentioned my job, and trigger is tree, so I need to pass that also. And then I need to start the scheduler. sd dot, there's a method start, so I need to start it from here. So that's it, complete. And now we will try to run this, and let's see what happens. Java exception occurred. Oh, Java exception. So there's a problem with there's no log factory, so I need to add some more jar files. So let's go to build path, and let's add some more jar files for logging and all. So I'll add this commons dbcp. I think that will be sufficient for logging and all. I don't need this. I think this this should work, I guess. Still it has problem. Okay, I'll add these are, I'll add these two as well, and then okay, just a minute. Let me check how many jar files I need. I have okay, just a minute. So to fix this, I don't have to, I just have to delete these files, delete all these. I just need one jar file, that is this Quartz all, and then I have to apply this. I think I didn't apply last time. I have to apply, and then let's try to run this once again. Okay, so there's some other error. Repeat interval must be greater than 0. Okay, so I got it. Repeat interval should be specified like this. Okay, and then this t dot ident repeat count. So count how many times it should repeat. That should be indefinitely. So indefinitely it should repeat, and the interval at what interval it should repeat, that is 3000 milliseconds. I have specified time in current time millis, so millisecond now. So it should repeat in every 300 millisecond, that is 3 seconds, and indefinitely it should run. So now we will try to run this and let's see what happens. Okay, still there's error for logger factory. Okay, I need to add, I guess. So I'll add that jar file. There's error with slf40, right? So I need to add that specific jar file. So now it should not show this error, I hope. Yeah, so now it is not printing, it is not showing any error, and every 3 seconds it is running, as you can see here. Every 3 seconds it is running. If I specify here every 1 second, that is 1000 millisecond, then immediately it will start running to see how fast it is running. So that's the use of simple trigger. That's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial I'll explain cron trigger. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.